The most important skill you can develop now in this time of history is the skill of making someone feel safe around you. Now more than ever, because of the pandemic, people are on a level of alertness and also a sense of constant threat. Over the year and a half during this pandemic, people have constantly been bombarded. And so if you can make someone feel safe around you, from that, trust starts to develop, and in between that is rapport. So your first focus is, how do I make someone feel safe around me? Because if they don't feel safe, and it could be they just have a certain level of adrenaline, that they're not necessarily thinking, are you dangerous, a friend or foe? It's just they are on a level of threat. Because day and day, over and over, they've been bombarded with the news. They would see people with masks on. They would have to wear masks, get vaccinated. Someone would cough and they would be worried. Maybe they had a friend or family or loved one pass from COVID. So there's a lot of emotions that everyone has been bombarded with. And now, just like post-traumatic stress syndrome, with a soldier or police officer, once they're constantly in combat or maybe under threat constantly or feel a sense of threat. Same thing with everyone now. They have this sense of threat, and different people handle it in different ways. Simply you being aware of that will give you an edge of how to interact and communicate with people, and what you can do to create that element of safety, that they are safe around you and they can trust you and you're an authority that will help them. This is in business, leadership, sales. This is based on my program called the Trust Formula, because normally you would have to earn trust, as in say what you're going to do and then do what you're going to say, and then they begin to develop that trust. The Trust Formula is to accelerate that. What are some things you can do with your mindset, your voice, the framing, positioning, your body motion, the words to use, words to avoid? All of that impacts and influences somebody having the impression that they feel safe around you and that they can trust you. So one tip I'll share with you on the mindset is go first. Meaning, tell yourself, I trust this person. I'm going to trust this person. You will project trust. You will talk calmly, safely. Your whole mannerism will shift. So assume you trust them. And as ex-President Ronald Reagan once said, was he negotiated with the Soviet Union, trust but verify. So trust somebody, however, always be alert if there's any inconsistencies or if they're not congruent with their words and what they're doing and what they're saying. So trust but verify. Simply start off by trusting them, by projecting that sense of trust, calm, confidence. And then again, from that, there are other techniques and strategies you can use that will help accelerate the trust so that it reduces their anxiety and they feel a sense of safety to say, yes, I want this person to help me.